That's a lake.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That is pretty.
Amazing how big they are down here. Holiday Express.
Yeah.
Josh, that might be the one we stayed at, the Best Western,
Yeah.
9 miles. Because this will take you right into Seville, if I'm not mistaken. Little rain again.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah. Raining a little bit harder than it was.
Yeah.
But it actually feels good. My mom says she likes my sticker.
Does he?
Yeah.
I couldn't believe you didn't pick it up when you
I
didn't-
didn't see it.
you didn't see it.
I was looking for something for the kids.
You got plenty of stuff down here to look for them.
I know. They like to put them stickers on their trucks.
I understand that, but I'm telling you, this is almost like a carnival, a fair, bike rally with vendors that's there all the time. Craft people, all kinds of stuff.
I wanted something with his name on it, but I couldn't find anything. Everything on it was about trucking, and I don't drive a semi-truck. I wanted Davy Crockett something, but they didn't have anything.
Yeah. Like I said, you might find it down here. just stop at the other ones on the way home. David Crockett ain't the only famous person.
I know. I just thought that was neat.
Maybe there'll some Dolly Parton boobs down here you can get.
Yeah.
Okay, 4/10 of a mile, we're turning right.
Yeah, 432A. Guess this is A.
That's the way it's shown on the map. So we want to go there. So we're headed. Clear?
Yep.
Well, there's 2 gas stations here.
Yep.
Dollar General.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Brenda's. Brenda's walk-in welcome. Whatever. Oh, looks like a haircut in place. Brenda's.
Okay, up here at the lake, we gotta make a left.
Tennessee's distillery, turn left.
Looks like it rained here, but good.
Yeah.
Look at the puddle over there.
Right on.
Right on one. Hey, there's your water.
Yeah. Roger's noisy again.
Bad habit.
Oh, my cousin's texting me from down here. She
Yeah.
wants to know where I'm at. I have to text her when we get stopped. She's probably wanting to see me.
Yeah. You said you lived by Nashville, didn't you?
I'm not really sure. I forgot to ask Mom when I called her.
She lives in Nashville. That's almost 3 or 4 hour ride.
I can't remember where she's at.
We could do like a pony that one day, meet him halfway or something.
I'll have to text her later.
Look at that farm over there.
Yeah.
Detour, 1,000 feet. Oh, look at your map, and we're riding in the field right now.
In a field?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a brand new road.
Yeah. I saw the blue highway over here. That's different.
Bushes. Bush beer?
What?
It says bushes. I say, is that bush beer?
I don't know. Bush what?
I don't know. It's something down here. Bush is best. There's the gate. Bush Brothers Company, whatever the heck that is.
Chestnut Hill. There's Fraley's. That's it from Brilliant. The trailers.
Yeah, yeah. Smells weird.
Yeah, it does.
Historic downtown Dandridge.
Sharp turn down.
A.J. Bush and Company.
General merchandise.
Bushes. Bush's beer. Ooh, that's bumpy. I'm like trying to read the sign about Reynolds Road.
Don't do that, please.
Shouldn't have told you.
I saw you.
I was trying to read. A lot of scenery down here.
Yeah, I don't want you to spend the weeks down here in the hospital. Safety comes first.
I was trying to figure out what that bush thing was.
Curiosity is what killed the cat. Remember that.
Bush beer, I guess.
That store there, the building there said general merchandise.
But there was a distillery down there on the right.
Or something, yeah. if your curiosity is that bad, we can come back. Hey, we're in Severe County.
Sevier County.
Severe.
Severe.
They pronounce it different. Severe.
Who knows?
They do. I'm telling you, they do.